I was just someone who sings from the karaoke with my lolo, and now I'm able to write music and have an album. So, if I can do it, you can.
Grabe. Medyo kinabahan ako na-slide dun sa muna. Pero you know what? Serious talk. I never thought other people would believe in my music. Pero kayo, grabe kayo! Pinapangarap ko lang to dati. Pero alam nyo, before other people believe in you, kailangan mo rin pala maniwala sa sarili mo. And now, I finally know what I was made for. I was made to perform, and deep in my heart, I really hope that I can inspire more people. And believe it or not, Guys, ito na. I'm so blessed that I'm one of the creative producers ng concert. Iba pala yung pagplano, nakakabaliw. Pero sanay naman po sila sa akin. Baliw po ako pag nagper-perform. Pero, you know, marami pa kayong dapat abangan tonight. Marami pang pasabog. And also, gusto ko rin pasalamat sa mga brands who believed in me.